How to get new Messenger update. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you get an update latest version of Messenger on your device. So let's get started. First, you'll have to open App Store or Play Store on your device. After you open App Store, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the top, in the source field, search for Messenger. After you search for that, if you find any update, simply tap on update. After that, you'll be able to update latest version of Messenger and you can unlock new feature. If you are still confusing that you have the updated version of Messenger or not, simply you can try to uninstall that application. For that, tap and hold. Now from here, tap on remove app. From here, tap on delete app and reinstall from the App Store. After that, our latest version of Messenger will be installed on your device. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.